Today, I will be sharing about how to create a multiple choice question with a single answer on the Tuition Near Me EduTech platform. Click on the login text located at the top bar of our webpage. This is going to bring you to your personal dashboard. Okay, so when you see your personal dashboard, you can see that there are many options, and I want you to click on the button, Create a New Course. Once you are on to the course creation page, give your course a title. Then, scroll down until you see the header, Course Builder. Under the header, Course Builder, click on the button, Add New Topic. Our system will then prompt you to key in the topic name and topic summary. Just go ahead and give your topic a name and summary. For this demo, I am just going to write Testing for All. Once you are done with the naming, click on the button, Quiz. Next, give your quiz a title and a summary, and click the button, Save and Next. Click on the button, Add Question. Type your question in the space given. Then select Single Choice. Then, search for answer title, type your proposed answers and click the button, Update Answer. Once you are ready, choose the correct answer. Then click the button, Add to Questions. Click Save and Next. And again. Now, we are going to preview the quiz. Click Enroll Now. After that, click on Start Learning. Choose the quiz and start the quiz. Choose the correct answer and submit the quiz. Check if the score tabulation is correct, and that's it. Thanks for attending this explainer webinar, and we look forward to seeing you again.